Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can fix the red light fault here when you've got water in. So this is just to let you know to fill up with water. But look, you can see the red light's on, but we are full with water. We're right up to the max here and it's not being registered. This is a Bosch Tassimo Happy. It could be a very simple fix. What you need to do is you need to have a look at this float here. If the float is stuck down the bottom, that's the reason it doesn't recognize the water. That float needs to be freely able to move up and down, so as the water level drops, this will go down, letting you know to fill it with water. If it doesn't lift back up again, the machine doesn't know that you've got water in here. It could be blocked with scale, or something might have fallen into it from your tap or something else when you were filling up with water. So it's a nice easy fix. Take out the water tray and you're going to get your hand down in here and you're going to move the float up and down with your finger to try to clear the blockage. So it sounded a little bit crunchy there. And now, in fact, I can see a bit of dirt at the bottom. And now, can you see? Look at that. That's now going up. So now the machine should recognize that the float is in the up position. Obviously, empty this water out now because you've got a bit of dirt in it and your hands have been in it. Pretend now this is fresh water. If we put it back in the machine, you will see that no longer will we have this red light on. So put it in here. And if you see now, you can see the red light's gone off and the float is at the top there. So hopefully yours will be a nice easy fix if you have the red light problem. Thanks for watching.